Good day, one. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking, of course. Today we're going to be talking about Palantir tech. Hopefully I said that right. I found a range for you guys. We also located a trend line that I want to discuss with you. And if you're just joining us, welcome in. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know that you just joined so I can personally welcome you to the charts. We're going to leave a few links in the video so that way you can verify our credentials to make sure that we're actually staying consistent with our thesis, and make this hopefully a short video as possibly can. So without further ado, guys, the YouTube algorithm is currently on our side, so let's keep it that way, guys. Leave a comment, leave an appropriate thumb. Let's keep it going, guys. I appreciate every single one of you and our loyal subscribers. So let's not waste time. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is January the 7th, 2021, and the previous close of PLTR's ticker symbol is going to be $25. It's up about 6.2% for the day, okay? Let's go ahead and reveal the lines that we found on this. That's it. Pretty simple. I think it's simple. So the red line is going to represent the area where the buyers are protecting that line. I should have made it green, actually. And that level is going to be at about $23.94. And the overhead level, which is going to be the buyer's obligation, is $28.57. So that's the current range that the price is currently within. Now, this trend line that we found, hopefully you guys can see that this green circle area represents the price actually breaking above this ascending line, okay? And that just kind of initiated the price action starting to kind of bounce above that line. If you can see that, just kind of bouncing above using this white ascending line as support, of course, until this recent candle here on December the 28th. These are the 3-day candles, by the way, where it had a successful candle to break below that trend line. So that just basically means that doesn't mean that the trend is going to shift. It's actually not even trending right now, to be honest with you. It's just kind of going up. It hasn't even really made a higher low just yet. It's a brand new stock, so even if I get this wrong, guys, kind of bear with me here. There's not really enough data for me to make a really good accurate call on this. So it's going up. It's not really trending, but it's definitely going up. It started back in September the 28th, 2020. But let's just focus on this range, okay, that I'm looking at here. And I do have a few price targets, sort of. So for the bearish case, we'll just start with that. If this lower line down here, which I actually don't think is going to happen, this red line down here, again, at about $23.92. If that level is compromised, the sellers will probably have a unique opportunity to push the price all the way down to $21.17 at that blue line you see there. If you guys take notes, $21.17. Again, I don't think that's going to happen. Even if that does happen, I think what will probably happen first is we're going to get at least a test or breach of the top line up here at about, let's just call it $28.24. So from the current level up, that'll be approximately, I don't know if you guys play on options. This is a financial advice, by the way. It's going to be approximately like a 12% move to the upside. So that was pretty good. And that's actually my prediction in terms of where I think the price is going. I don't see why I would have a problem reaching that level here in a short period of time. Again, these are the 3-day candles, if I haven't mentioned that. This is just kind of like a bullish counter move setup here, these 3 candles, where it will likely have a push to the upside. And I guess if I had to just kind of give you guys a potential target overhead above this green line that we've already identified at about $28.59. I say the price could potentially reach up to $33 again. I'll put a horizontal line right about there. $33.28 would be my bullish target. In terms of a time frame, it's kind of difficult to give it a time frame, guys. The first thing it has to do is get above this level right here, again at about $28.59. So we'd have to revisit the charts to give you a time. If I had to just throw a guess out there, I'd say 30 to 60 days. Okay, in terms of that bullish target. So again, my trajectory is to the upside for now from the current level at about $25. Now, I guess I know some of you are going to ask, should I buy this right now? I mean, if I were to play this isn't financial advice, but I would enter the market where it is now. Okay, I would probably risk about 10% to the downside. You risk the chance of getting stopped out there. So it's kind of hard to know exactly a good place to enter. I would enter on this market on a negative day above this red line. Again, if you guys take notes, you have to write down $23.93. Okay, I would scale into a position above that line on a negative day. Today was a positive day. excuse me, you do run the risk of not being able to get into the market if you don't get in, soon, I guess. But yeah, I wouldn't risk more than 10% on this play. But if you're going to play it to the upside, it's only like a 12% move up. So the risk to reward ratio probably wouldn't even make sense, honestly, guys. I'm not entering the market here. So yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing here in terms of letting you know if you wanted to enter this market. I can't call it, guys. Not here, not right now. Okay. And also, basically, we'll wrap things up here. That's my entry, or actually the target, guys. $28 is where I see the price going here over the short term. I can't see any further than that, but I do see a bullish counter move reaching that level at some point here in the future. And that is pretty much all I got for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys are actually invested in this or if I actually said the name right. PALANTIR, I think it's pronounced tech. Okay. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Before, guys, you go, we also go over the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. So join us here 7 days a week. We cover that. Okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon, guys. And bye for now.